everybody, Craig here. It's getting ready to go today. We noticed we had a low steer tire, so we checked her out. There's nothing in it, but we noticed the valve stem's leaking. So give you a quick tip here on how to save yourself a road call and a little money if it works. So let's see what happens. Carry a little trusty valve stem tool here. These are really useful. You should have one. You know, some extra valve stem cores. You never know, it saves you some money. So let's see here how this goes. You can hear she's leaking a little, so let's take it out. I'm going to use the cap to help hold the air if I can. So let's see. That'll only slow it down. That won't keep it all in. So let's see what's wrong with this valve stem. She got a broke spring on her, so we're going to change that. You can pick these up at the auto parts store or, you know, Freightliners, you know, some of them truck stops, but let's see how this goes. Get that tight, and she's not spitting no more.
Nice.
All right, we're gonna check the air here, see how low she got. She's down a little bit. We're gonna refill her here. I'm sure everybody out there carries their air hose. I mean, you can have it here at the Glad Hand, or you can tap your tank and have a 1/2-inch valve down on the tank with a quick connect. I prefer the Glad Hand. All right, here we go. Let's see how it does. Yeah, and we got her up to about 110, but always remember when you check with your air gauge, go ahead and shoot some more air in there to make sure that seal's taken, closes for you, or it'll still leak. So always remember to put your caps back on, because a lot of guys like to run around with no caps. They either don't care or don't know. I don't care. I don't know. Water get up in there and it'll freeze, and that can leak. Put your cap back on. I like to give mine just a little twist. All these parts right here run me about $6 today. Service call, I mean, the Loves is 50 miles away. I'm sure there's a tire guy around here somewhere, but nobody wants a service call. So these are little things you can do yourself, guys. Good luck.